A 3-ingredient traditional Persian saffron brittle coming from the city of Qom, Iran. Let's see how to make this delicious brittle, Sohan. First, let's soak some saffron in hot water and keep it aside. Into a pan, add some sugar, spread it nicely and keep it on a very low flame and let the sugar get caramelized. Try not to stir the sugar when it is caramelizing. Once the sugar melts completely and changes its color to this golden shade, add half a cup of tahini and the soaked saffron with the water. Mix it continuously. Here I've used homemade tahini. Recipe for that is already there in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. You can even use the store-bought one. Now mix it continuously until the mixture becomes slightly thick like this. Now immediately transfer this onto a parchment paper and slightly spread it. You can add some chopped nuts on top. Here I've used some crushed cashews and pistachio. Now place another parchment paper on top and press it nicely with a pan. Now once it becomes hard, you can simply break it and have it. But just to give a shape, here I used a round cookie cutter and made some impressions on top. And once it becomes hard like this, just break these brittles and have it. So as I have made already some impressions on top, when you break it, you will get the perfect round shaped Sohan. So this is a simple and easy caramel candy with a twist and a different taste from tahini. You can store this in an airtight container and it lasts really long. This is also a perfect snack to have with the evening tea or coffee. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.